Okay, so we've got a low reverse piston here. We're going to put in this 4L60E. Cody likes to do this with just a couple of screwdrivers. Me, I like to use the spring compressor. Of course, I'm a little older, but we like to I wanted to shoot a video on how he does this in case you don't have a spring compressor at home. If you're a DIY guy, you want to build your 4L60E. I want to show you how to stick this low reverse piston down in there. One thing is you got this notch on it right here. That notch has to line up down in the case. You'll see it lines up right there. Now if you're just taking this thing apart and you don't know how to get the low reverse piston out of there, you take your spring set off, you got the snap ring in the center, and then apply you some air pressure right there to that hole, and it will pop that up out of there for you. So but anyway, I'm going to let him stick this thing down in there and make sure that you grease that up. We put assembly lube on it so that it'll slide down in there a little easier. All he's going to do is apply some pressure here to it. You heard it go down in there. Now he's ready to put his spring and retaining clip on it. So let's give him a second here. He wasn't ready for all that, but he's been doing this for a while. He should be able to put this in there pretty quick, show you how to do it, and that way you don't run into any troubles, and you don't have to wait on a specialty tool like a spring compressor. Save you about 40 bucks. You can buy them online if you can't do it this way. But you see how he slid the spring over to the side a little bit. Now he's trying to get his little snap ring down in there. He's just going to work it right around the sides there. Sometimes it doesn't go the first time. This isn't easy to do, but it is a way to get it in there. If you don't have the right tools to put it in there with. I think our office personnel went to lunch, so we don't have anyone answering the phone right now. We're just going to let it ring. He's just making sure it's in there good now. Go all the way around it. Make sure that the spring is, you can push the spring down. I'm going to zoom in on it here. And you can clearly see that he's got the snap ring in there just the way it goes. And you're ready to start building this 4L60E. I hope this video helps you. I hope you can get that down in there easy as Cody did. And please subscribe.